Hi guys and welcome to this video. In this video, I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today, and also I'll be telling you guys how you can make consistent profit like us. So to get all this information, make sure you watch this video till the end. Okay, and before that, if you're new to my channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button and also hit the bell icon to get all the notifications from my channel. I'll be uploading a lot of educational videos, intraday trading strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel, so make sure you stay tuned for that. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show you the live trade what we did today. So guys, yesterday is 23rd of October. So right now we were doing the live trading, and now the time is around 9:14, and let's see how the pre-open market is opening today. So let's go to pre-open market, and now the pre-open market is closed. Okay, so right now the Nifty 50 is opening today at 11,957.90, that is at 0.52% up. Okay, so advanced stocks of 47, declines of 1, and unchanged are 2. So let's see the stocks which are opening in the gap up, that is in the upper trend, are NTPC with 1.59% up, Infi with 1.43% up, and Indus India Bank with 1.36% up. And let's see the stocks which are opening the downtrend. There is only one stock, Reliance, with only 0.05% down. So this is how the pre-open market is looking today, and by this we can say that the market is opening in an upper trend. But once it opens, let's see how it will perform. And I'll be showing you my live trade what I do today. In just in few minutes, I'll be telling you which stock I'll be picking and in what I'll be doing a live trading, so stay tuned for that. So guys, right now I've selected ICICI Bank to trade today. Not taken any entry yet to the buy or sell. Once I take the entry, I'll update you guys. And right now the Nifty 50 is in 0.47% up at 11,951.50. So this is how the market is looking right now. So once I take in any entry, I'll update you guys. The stock what I selected today for trading is ICICI Bank. So guys, right now I'm planning to take a short sell entry now. So 416.50 somewhere where I'll be short selling this. So short sell on ICICI Bank. 416.50 is where I'll be short selling. Okay, so waiting for my entry yet. We'll see. So guys, yes, right now we are in a short sell trade of ICICI Bank. 416.50 is where the short sell has been triggered, and yes, waiting for 0.5% target now. 416.50 as the short sell has been triggered. So almost around 415 or 414 I'll be exiting. So we'll see how it will move. Okay, so if you guys can see now, the market depth almost 13 lakhs of sellers and 8.5 lakh of buyers are there. So and the market is still here. Okay, so as you can see, this is how the market is looking today. Okay, so we are just seeing it in 15 minutes. So if you put in 5 minutes candle chart, we'll get to know. Okay, so it is not making much of higher highs as of now in Nifty 50 chart in 5 minutes candle. So we'll see how it will perform. So we are already in a short sell trade of ICICI Bank. Even if I see ICICI Bank in 5 minutes candle chart, there's no higher highs made. Okay, so it will continue to go down, I think. So we'll see how this will perform now. Right now it's at 416.2025 somewhere. So guys, yes, as you guys can see, as we guys predicted, the stock did fall down, and 0.5% target was easily achieved here, and the low made was 414.4, and even now it's at 414.75 and 80. So quickly checking the nifty chart, so even nifty is also in a downtrend. Okay, so when I was in a short sell, it went a bit up. Okay, so like 1 or 1.5 rupee it went up, and I still know that it couldn't go up because I'm in a short sell trade, and the trend was also on a downside, and the stock fell down as we predicted. And yes, the new low just now it made, that is 413.65, and even the stock is continuing to fall down now. So I managed to exit there around somewhere 414.50 somewhere, and this was the profit what I was able to book today. Okay, so if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. You can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today. So guys, if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So I do provide NSE and MCX trading course. The course prices are very less and reasonably priced. You can check all of the details in my blogspot, that is trading0.blogspot.in. The link is in the description below of this video. So many of the people has got into my trading program, and now they are making money consistently, and people who had losses are now starting to recover their losses. You can watch all of these things with the earning proof here with the ledgers. And if you guys are interested and motivated to make consistent profit like this, you can join us today. So once you join us, you will be getting lifetime support and live market guidance also. I'll be teaching you guys personally how you can make consistent profit in intraday trading, and also if you're new to the stock market trading, I'll be guiding you from the basics to make you earn consistent profit. And also if you're having losses, I'll be helping you to recover your losses. So you can go through all of these feedback messages and earning proof. So if you guys wish to stop your losses from today and want to start making consistent profit like this, you can message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me and to take the course and learn how you guys can make consistent profit from today in intraday trading. Okay, and also these are the advantages and benefits what you get once you join us. So once you join us, you will be able to earn consistently in trading. I'll be teaching you 95% accuracy, unique and secret strategies with no indicators. And also I'll be teaching you guys how to pick the stocks every day and a very good timing and discipline what is needed. Just by spending only 15 to 30 minutes per day, you can make 10% profit on your capital. That is, you can earn 1000 rupees per day with the investment of just 10,000 only. And also I'll be guiding you with a very good money management system and a risk-free trading system. And also, as you guys know, my course prices are very less and reasonably priced. Okay, so guys, by being said that, now let me show the client screenshot of profit what they've shared with me. So ICICI Bank 1140 rupees profit, ICICI Bank 4798 rupees profit, 1467 rupees profit, and 1475 rupees profit. So these are the profit what we're able to book today in today's trade of ICICI Bank. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this, you can join us today. Okay, and also you guys can go inside my channel and watch all the other videos. There are a lot of educational videos, strategies, tricks, tips, and a lot of things in my channel. So watch all of these things and subscribe to my channel if you're not a subscribed. And also every day I upload like how much profit we made on what stock we traded with the profit proof every single day. So if you guys wish to earn consistent profit like this and want to stop your losses from today, you can join us now. So thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.